What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here. We're gonna do some fishing. Brought worms. We're gonna try. It's springtime. Water's starting to get a little warmer. We had a full moon. I know we don't have much daylight left, but I'm hoping to hit some of these banks and maybe, just maybe, catch some spawning bass. And I'm welcome to Dave and my good buddy Ted.
What up?
So, let's get at it. Not terribly cold. It's probably around that 50, give or take. Oh, I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm not a human thermometer, so could not tell you.
Like, 67.
I know it's not that.
Don't blow it up before you get on the water. Someone needs to
That was not a healthy sounding boat.
No. Bro, that's it.
It's okay.
I like
Yeah, it looks like a wake boat.
Huh?
Speed boat.
Whopper plopper.
Yeah.
Have you even caught a fish on that yet?
Not once.
That's insane.
A lot of people swear by him.
That motherfucker ever caught shit on it.
Getting a little toyed there on my old bobber. I can see. Tip, 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 tip. And the fish are sending SOS codes.
Yeah.
Give me some more food. I got it wrapped up. That'd be insane.
Well, I feel like you could catch pike with those.
I wouldn't be surprised.
I thought you went straight into the fucking tree with it.
No, but
You caught somebody else's line though.
yes, I did.
Oh, get it, go get it.
Snapped off my fucking $13 fucking Whopper Blopper.
Better go get it, take your shoes off. Gold paint.
Yeah, I guess I'm really gonna find out just how cold this water is. There's a lot of rocks here, man. I'm gonna feel great on my feet.
All of a sudden, a fish just popped.
It's still a little cold. Oh boy. I don't know why we're not catching anything. It's still pretty decently shallow right here. Ugh. See, told you. I brought my kayak.
You already have.
What if we walk down that? Fish along that bank before it gets real dark?
I've never seen anybody catch any fish off that bank.
Well, they're probably gonna be spawn season. They're probably gonna be pushed up against that wall.
Oh, you're dragging your.
Am I really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it now, wrapped around my damn ankle. Ugh.
You're already halfway there. Could have went to the tree and broke. Got the rest of them.
All the other lines, sinkers, and everything else out there.
Yeah.
Man, there's a path all the way over here already. Still pretty shallow over here yet, too. See if I can find a slightly deeper pocket. Oh, oh. Got him. That's a bluegill. Oh, he's a chunk. Ooh, he's got a gouge out of him too. That thing's the size of my hand. Holy smokes. That was a big fish. It just hit. Right there. You didn't go on the stringer. Second cast. Casted once. Wasn't really getting much. Moved down a little bit further. Wait a couple seconds and it whoop! That's a good sized boy too.
That's a big piece.
It's a long ear. Oh, I think that wall might be the juice. There's a big fish that jumped right over there.
I saw that. I was like, motherfucker.
Might have to walk. There's a path that leads all the way along there.
Yeah, I think we'll go down there.
What do you think? You want to clean fish tonight? Should I release him?
I don't want to fish. It's up to you.
Yeah, we'll put him back. I don't really want to clean any either. Oh yeah, not that far off the shore either. Another one. Unless that guy caught one. I know there's a guy down there. All right, topwater baits while I'm walking that way. See you later. Whoop. See ya, bye-bye. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna get him. That was the second time he's hit. Just not setting the hook good enough or something. Power pool is really buzzing. Oh, I seen that one. Oh, got him. Yeah. Come on. Get that hook out of his mouth. Got him good. I got him 3 hooked. That's a nice smallmouth. Probably a pound, pound and a half. I could be wrong, but let's get him on back. See you, Stinky. Just saw something out there. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Oh no! Oh no! Hey! Hey! Oh! He got away. Oh, hopped right off. Oh man. Well, catch and release. I'm not taking any fish home today, so out here for the fun, for the experience. Well, that was good. Okay. Dude, this power pole's buzzing.
The what?
This power pole. You hear it? You hear it?
Yeah.
Like, I wasn't know if I'm going crazy. Because, like, for a while, it sounded like there was something in my ear.
Did you end up saving that one?
No, he landed right here, then took off when he seen me coming down the hill. I smoked my knee on the rock. He looked like it was the same fish that I had just caught. I was like, man, if that was the same fish, I probably gave him some trust issues. That gentleman's taking off. So we can kind of work a little bit more down that way.
Yeah, dude, that power pole fucking...
I've had like some, yeah, I know. I first walked up here, thinking there was a bug or something in my ear. So I'm like digging around. I'm like, what the heck? Get out of there. And I realized, I was like, oh, wait a minute. That's that pole. But yeah, I mean, I had a couple good hits. I even seen the one right here, that first one that I caught.
Yeah.
I seen him hit the first time. I didn't set the hook good enough. He was right here. Watched him roll. I had a couple good hits over this way, and that was not a good cast.
That pole's not happy.
No. It kind of sounds like it's arcing.
Sounds like it's gonna light your ass up to walk by it.
Oh, yeah. Come here. Get out of that bush. Oh, did he hop off? Oh, I lost him. This damn bush right here. And that was a smaller one, but still.
Yeah. They're loving that thing.
Oh, yeah. Well, all of them have been along the shoreline right here.
Was he catching anything down there?
I honestly have no idea.
There's a bunch of shit jumping over there.
Yeah.
You catch them all.
This is one of the cheaper ones that I bought too, I think. I think this one's by Bass Pro. They had Rapala.
Oh.
Rapala, however. Yeah, whoever. Well, people pronounce it different ways, but
They're a good brand.
yeah, well, theirs was much more expensive. I mean, this was $7. Theirs was 15.
Yeah, 14, 15.
Yeah, I'm like, I'd rather spend that cheaper price than.
Especially if I'm just gonna lose it.
Right, half the time behind my house on the river. I'd rather lose a cheaper one. Oh yeah. stock flip. Hold on, killer. Hold on. Hold on. Another smallie. What about this? A little smaller. Oh, I got him good double hooked. Huh? Not a bad one. Definitely on spawn though. All up along this shoreline. See you later, stinky. Dang, one just hit right there. I mean, you can see where the ripples are. Good one here, right there. Cast on over that way. I'm really liking this bluegill squarebill though. Party going on over there. Where those lights are. Bunch of people hooting and hollering. Nope. I'm gonna move further down. Nope. I think that's a beaver. Or muskrat. I don't know if you can see it. Yes. Right there. Alright, y'all. I know it's not the best lighting. It got dark out. We're back to the truck. I outfished him. So,
Didn't catch jack squat.
but we're gonna have to try again here soon. Especially this springtime. These bass are really out. Should threw a Senko.
Yeah, should've.
Did you have any?
Yeah.
Should throw one of those out
Should've.
there. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna try and get some more out there. I do what I can. And it's definitely been a while. Yeah. See ya.